Your Genesis upholds the highest level of premium luxury standards and care we value the most. That's precisely why, when something unexpected happens to compromise the appearance of your vehicle, preserving its value and elegance is our #1 priority. Genesis Appearance Protection Plus provides you maximum protection against interior and exterior damages caused by life's unpredictable mishaps. From everyday door dents and dings to windshield chips, tire and alloy wheel damage, and interior rips, stains, or burns, our comprehensive plan covers it all, with no deductible and no hidden fees. Or you can customize your own plan by choosing from a variety of appearance protection products that are right for you. And you can rest assured that all repairs are performed by Genesis certified technicians to maintain the exceptional standards of quality you expect. Keep your Genesis performing and looking its best. Genesis Appearance Protection Plus. Exceptional coverage for a lasting impression.